CPA episode.
Komishana mu kitongole kya U.R.A Richard Kariso jwekire mukuru w'ekitongole ekyo mu ihanga John Musinguzi Rujoki niwakugira omukoro gw'okusiima ebitongole n'abantu abarikushashura kurungi emishoro.
At U.R.A we believe that taxpayers are the backbone of Uganda's progress, and it's in that regard that we come to you to appreciate you, the engine of national development, building infrastructure, expanding the national health care, improving education, and delivering essential services that uplift communities across our country.
Tonight we gather to acknowledge your hard work and dedication and the vital role you have played in developing Uganda. Because that is what the taxes are for. They are not for Uganda Revenue Authority, they are for building our country.
Ubwo kwatanise na komishana ishitanaziwa cyambade basimire empamushoro ahubwo kundi hanga kandi babasha kubakwasa kurundana imishoro.
Together as citizens of this country, let us continue to build a Uganda that thrives on the foundation of collaboration, shared responsibility, and sustainable development.
And we commit to continue supporting you and improving. Through ongoing initiatives, we at U.R.A shall continue to ease compliance for you. We shall continue to empower you in this process. And as much as we are an authority, we commit to be a partner with you.
Bishop Nathan Ahimsiwe wa South Ankole Diocese ashira mukorogu kanda shavishto cha U.R.A okwehara utakolesa mani mingi okwata bari kuteganisebwa mu kushashura emishoro.
Not by whipping us, not by reprimanding us, preach to us as we preach to you, make altar call, then the people will get saved. And I know that people are now going to get saved seriously. Those who are saying God has already picked his tithe. And we shall build a nation for the glory of God. May God bless you.
Ekitongole kya U.R.A nikigumiza munehuriro y'okusiima bari kushashura gy'emishoro okwetoroera ihanga ryona ekintu kyo batandikire emyaka 18 enyuma ng'omuyingo gumwe gw'okubagaruramu amaani. Gashoka Aida Bataringayo.